The Naughty Sheep.
Heather Amory. Illustrated by Stephen Cartwright.
The Naughty Sheep. This is Apple Tree Farm. This is Mrs. Boot, the farmer. She has two children, called Poppy and Sam. The dog called Rusty. On the farm, there are 7 sheep. The sheep live in a big field with a fence around it. One sheep has a black eye. He is called Wally. Wally is bored. Wally stopped eating and looked over the fence. Grass, she said. Nothing but grass. Boring! Wally ran out of the gate. He runs out of the field into a farmyard. Then he ran through another gate into a garden. Wally see nuts to eat in the garden. He tastes some of the flowers. Very good, she said, and much prettier than grass. Can you see where Wally walking? She's walk around the garden, eating lots of the flowers. I like flowers, she said. Mrs. Boot see Wally in the garden. What are you doing in my garden? She said. You have eaten my flower, you naughty sheep. Mrs. Boot very cross. It is the show today, she says. I was going to pick my best flowers for it. Just look at them. It's time for the show. Come on, said Poppy. We must go now. The show starts soon. It's only just down the road. They all walk down the road. Wally watches them go. She chooses her flowers and thinks, I like to go to the show. Wally goes to the show. Wally runs down the road. Soon she's come a big field with lots of people in it. Wally goes into the ring. He puts his part, the people, and into the field. She stopped by a man in a white coat. Mrs. Boot finds her. What are you doing here, Wally? Said Mrs. Boot. She has just won the prize, says the man. Wally is the winner. This cup is for the best sheep, says the man. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you, says Mrs. Boot. It's time to go home. Come on, Wally, says Mrs. Boot. We will take you back to your field, you naughty, clever sheep. The end.